How to install JMA 1/2-inch Annular Plenum Trilogy connectors. Step 1. Prep. To begin, straighten the cable and using RD Cutter S, apply even pressure while rotating the tool around the cable to cut squarely. If dielectric disc is located at the cable end, remove it with pliers. Attach the SP-12PL-01 prep tool to the drill. Prepping the cable on the spool is recommended for lengths under 6 feet. Slide the blue marking guide over the cable until it bottoms on the first dielectric ring. Mark the cable with a line at the end of the marking guide. Actuate the drill to remove the jacket and expose the center conductor until prep tool reaches the mark made on the jacket. Make sure the final cut is in the valley. Proper prep is achieved when the center conductor is chamfered. Inspect the center conductor for scratch marks. Attach SP-PLV to a standard vacuum hose. Insert the prepped cable end into SP-PLV at a downward angle. Tap the cable while vacuuming to remove any remaining dielectric material. Use Center Conductor Cleaner SPCC tool to remove any remaining dielectric material on the center conductor. Insert the prepped cable end into SP-PLV at a downward angle. Tap the cable while vacuuming a second time. Step 2. Install. Align the outer conductor edge with the marking line on the cap. Make a second installation mark on the cable jacket in line with the end of the connector. Use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the inner and outer conductors thoroughly. Push the connector onto the cable until it reaches the first alignment mark and 2 clicks are heard or felt. Step 3. Compress. Select the proper insert for the connector. Pull the sliding assembly back using the frameset's side grips. Insert the connector so that the connector and cable lie flat in the frame. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Press the HCG trigger until the tool fully cycles. Do not pull or push on the tool or cable during compression. When fully compressed, the connector will move away from the alignment mark.